Hey, what's up, everybody? How you doing today? What I'm going to talk to you today about is Stash Card. Stash is a brokerage firm that allows you to invest. And I'm talking about this today because in relation with credit card is, I know a lot of people love to use their credit card to get points, from gas, going to grocery store, flying, or whatever it may be. But when I found out about Stash, I was like, yo, excuse me, you mean to tell me instead of getting points, I can actually get stock in the company that I buy items with, where I shop? So what I used to do with my credit card, because I was credit responsible, so I don't really, you know what I'm saying, require or recommend people do this, but all my residual bills that I had to pay monthly, I put them onto my credit card so I can get the points and I'll just pay my credit card off. I had every residual bill that was coming out that can be paid with a card coming off of my credit card, and I would just rack up points. And then what I would do is at the end of the year, I'll take all those points off in the form of cash and I'll invest it. I'll put it into one of my passive accounts. Account that you not really worried about how much money in it, but just as long as you just keep putting money in it. So once I found out about Stash and what it does when you use your card. Okay, so your Stash card is a debit card linked to your brokerage account in Stash. Stash have their own bank, so to say. So now when I use my card, my Stash card, I'm not using credit. I'm using money that I already have. And then wherever I may go or wherever I may shop, now I can invest in that business. And now I can receive dividends from that company if it pays dividends. For example, just went to Walmart not too long ago, bought an air fryer. What else? Bought some groceries. And bought some things for the computer. So I had a choice to make between to use my credit card or use my Stash card. So besides from, swiping the black card, I went and swiped the gold card. So once I swiped at checkout at Walmart, instead of receiving points from the credit card, I received stock from my Stash card. Stock that I actually bought into Walmart. So that's one thing that I love about it. Actually, where's my phone? I'll tell you some companies that I've actually received stock from going through the Stash card. So we have AMC Movies, we have Walmart, Amazon, just multiple companies that I've received that from, and I love it. So therefore, that is very good for the people who saying, okay, I'm trying to get my credit right, then I can save, then I can invest. Well, using this card, you're using money that's already in your bank, just like in your checking account, and you're investing passively. So that was just a little token for people out there who are trying to find out ways to invest, who are trying to find out creative ways to receive residual income, passive income. It's a very good thing that I use, that I stand by, and it's been doing great for me. So go ahead and do your research, check it out, and it's called Stash. That's how you spell it. And like I said, I prefer the Stash card over the credit card. Every time I swipe this, when I go out to eat, when I'm buying supplies or anything, I receive stock in the companies where I shop. So, all right. Y'all have a great day.